think a lot of landlords, in terms of inventories, don't take them seriously enough. So the inventory is a vital part, without any doubt, of the whole of the rental letting process, particularly today, where the deposit at the end of the tenancy can sometimes be an issue. So what you want to do, obviously, with an inventory is you've got to make certain that it's very concise at the beginning, and there's some pretty good software out there for inventories now. You know, you have sometimes we're using an inventory clerk. You might get some landlords who do it themselves using app-based software, but the point is, it mustn't be rushed, it's got to be done properly, everything's got to be photographed effectively. Very often people don't photograph things properly, and then you get a scratch and you can't tell at the end of the tenancy whether it was there or not. But the point is, you need a reference point at the beginning of the tenancy and at the end of the tenancy, and if it's clear and it's defined, you're not going to have a problem with the tenants at the end. And I think fundamentally, it's got to be done that way. As a landlord, have we had issues with disputes over inventories? I've got to be honest, no. And the reason is we have been really specific about inventories. We take the time, so no, we haven't. We've certainly had situations where there's been damage to properties, certainly on sofas where cushions have been turned over to hide damage, and even to the point that when we're doing an inventory, we will take a picture of the underside of the cushions, for example. So no, we haven't, but we easily could have, without any doubt at all. Okay, so digital technology in relation to the inventory, it just makes it simpler, it makes it instant. The ability to be able to take, for example, photographs, upload them, find documents, upload them, pull them all into something on an iPad. Even the purpose of using the camera in an iPad just makes everything simple, makes it completely transparent, makes it very auditable, and the ability to be able to just transmit a document to somebody, for the tenant to just see an inventory online, it just makes the whole thing more effective. And of course it's accurate and it's undisputable. So it's an obvious progression in the world of inventories, really.